Hello, I am pleased that you are interested in ISO style. ISO style is a new dance style and was developed by myself. This is where the male expression of today's street dance is combined with dynamic hip kicks and soft internal movements from Oriental dance. ISO style connects the culture codes of the Orient with the Occident, femininity with masculinity, the conventional with the modern, and sensuality with schemes. ISO style not only helps you to achieve a more attractive appearance and physical fitness, it is also a dance medium, a tool to actively work on your personal integrity and thereby your presence. Street dance. Developed in the ghettos of America, b-boying or breakdance, hip-hop, poppin', lockin', house, and the new school hip-hop, the new style, is based on the basic idea of the battle and the gain of fame, whereby the battle, in contrast to gang wars and brawls, they are fought out in dance without physical violence. Fame should serve as an incentive to improve one's dancing skills and to develop one's own freestyle. Street dance is characteristically masculine and dynamic. Oriental dance is also based on freestyle and has its origin in Egypt. It's the street dance of the Middle East. The ancient female dance form, which consists of natural movements in the pelvic area, is commonly known as belly dance. The Oriental dance is very popular worldwide and is characteristically feminine, soft and flowing. ISO style. ISO style is danced from the center of your body. The natural movements of Oriental dance, mostly in the pelvic area, is now combined with the dynamic movements of street dance. The interaction of body isolation and steps makes it possible to experience a flow quickly. In addition, your inner body flexibility improves. Feeling and expression come quickly because you can feel the rhythm out of you without thinking too much about steps. ISO style is an expression of dynamism and sensuality, sometimes soft, sometimes explosive, sometimes hard, sometimes sensitive. With ISO style, you have an expanded experience of yourself. You learn dance forms of expression from men and women and can playfully explore your own body expression. In this way, you feel your feminine and masculine side in you, the yin and yang. Do you want to become an ISO style dancer? Expected results: desire to exercise, strong back, mobility, erect posture, good looking, strength and endurance, vitality, body awareness, relaxation, integrity.